Every minute, one garbage truck worth of plastic enters our oceans. But this plastic waste is being transformed into sunglasses, shoes, and backpacks.
Inside this facility, 50 tons of ocean plastic is processed every single day.
The plastic arrives covered in salt, algae, and years of ocean contamination.
Within 48 hours, that ocean trash becomes a product someone will buy.
But there's one contamination problem that nearly stopped this entire industry. We'll reveal that shortly. This coastal facility is one of 200 ocean plastic recycling plants worldwide.
8 million tons of plastic enters our oceans every year.
The facility operates 24 hours a day, 6 days a week.
Plastic arrives from ocean cleanup vessels, beach cleanups, and fishing industries.
Each delivery contains plastic that's been floating for months or even years. Daily throughput is 50 tons, producing 40 tons of usable recycled material.
Major brands like Adidas, Patagonia, and Norton Point use this recycled material.
The facility prevents 18,000 tons of plastic from ocean circulation annually.
To understand how ocean trash becomes premium products, we start at the dock. Collection begins with specialized ocean cleanup vessels. These vessels use boom systems to collect floating plastic from ocean currents. Crews perform initial sorting, removing non-plastic debris and contaminants. Collected plastic is compressed and stored in shipping containers. Vessels return to port every 2 weeks with 15 tons of collected material. Beach cleanup operations contribute an additional 20% of collected material. Abandoned fishing nets account for 10% of ocean plastic collected. Collected plastic includes 6 different polymer types, requiring separation. At the facility, every shipment is weighed and documented for traceability. Initial inspection checks for heavy metal contamination and non-recyclable materials. Approved shipments move to the sorting facility for processing. The sorting process handles 2 tons of material per hour. Ocean plastic requires specialized cleaning beyond standard recycling processes. The facility employs 120 workers dedicated to ocean plastic recovery.
But the real challenge begins with sorting 6 different plastic types. Here's what most people don't realize.
Optical sorting systems identify plastic types using infrared sensors. Each plastic type reflects infrared light differently, enabling automated identification.
Compressed air jets direct each piece to its correct sorting channel.
The system sorts 2,000 pieces per minute with 98% accuracy.
Human inspectors verify sorting accuracy and remove contaminated pieces. PET bottles account for 60% of collected ocean plastic.
The washing process uses hot water and eco-friendly detergents.
Ocean plastic requires 3 washing cycles to remove salt and biological fouling.
Temperature reaches 80 degrees Celsius to break down biological contamination. Caustic baths dissolve labels, adhesives, and surface contamination. Friction washers provide final mechanical cleaning at 1,100 RPM. Three rinse cycles remove all cleaning solution residue.
Centrifuge dryers spin at 2,000 RPM to remove 95% of water.
The plastic emerges clean, dry, and ready for processing. Quality control ensures less than 1% contamination remains.
The transformation from waste to resource is halfway complete. Now here's where it gets interesting.
Industrial granulators reduce clean plastic to uniform flakes. Granulator blades spin at 600 RPM, processing 1 ton per hour. Flakes are sized to exactly 8 millimeters for consistent melting. Metal detectors remove any remaining non-plastic contamination. Density separation ensures only single polymer types proceed to melting. Pneumatic systems transport flakes to the extrusion facility.
Extrusion melts plastic flakes into continuous strands at 260 degrees Celsius.
The extruder has multiple heating zones to ensure complete melting. Molten plastic is forced through a die head, creating continuous strands. Strands are rapidly cooled in water baths to solidify them. Rotating blades cut strands into uniform 3mm pellets. The finished pellets are identical in quality to virgin plastic pellets.
Every batch undergoes testing for tensile strength and melt flow index.
Pellets are sorted by color for specific product manufacturing requirements.
Storage silos hold 200 tons of recycled pellets ready for manufacturing. Pellets are packaged in 25-kilogram bags for distribution to manufacturers. Each bag includes certification proving ocean plastic origin and traceability. These pellets now travel to manufacturers creating consumer products. But this is only half the story. Product manufacturing facilities purchase certified ocean plastic pellets. Sunglasses frames are the most popular ocean plastic product.
Injection molding transforms pellets into precise sunglasses frames in 45 seconds.
A single machine produces 1,600 frames daily.
Frames are assembled with UV protective lenses and stainless steel hinges.
Ocean plastic sunglasses retail from $50 to $200 depending on brand.
Athletic shoes incorporate recycled ocean plastic in uppers and laces.
Recycled pellets are extruded into fine fibers for textile applications.
Each pair of shoes uses plastic equivalent to 11 ocean-collected bottles.
Major athletic brands have sold over 30 million pairs of ocean plastic shoes.
Backpacks and luggage represent the fastest-growing ocean plastic product category.
A single backpack uses recycled material from 25 plastic bottles.
Phone cases, laptop sleeves, and reusable bottles are also manufactured.
Phone cases require just 3 ounces of recycled ocean plastic each.
Outdoor furniture and building materials use heavier recycled plastic grades. Recycled polyester fabric performs identically to virgin polyester in clothing. All products undergo the same quality standards as conventional versions.
Products display certification proving ocean plastic content and traceability.
Retail messaging educates consumers, allumers about ocean plastic impact.
Consumers pay a 10 to 20% premium for certified ocean plastic products.
From 50 tons of ocean waste comes 40 tons of consumer products. What happens next is where economics meets environment.
Ocean plastic costs $600 per ton to collect and process. Recycled ocean plastic pellets sell for 30% more than virgin plastic. Facilities generate revenue from pellet sales and environmental credits.
The facility operates on 70% renewable energy, reducing carbon footprint.
The ocean plastic industry employs over 50,000 people globally.
Products distribute through traditional retail and direct-to-consumer channels.
Online sales account for 40% of ocean plastic product revenue. Each facility tracks environmental impact in real time for transparency. Major brands commit to multi-year ocean plastic purchasing agreements.
The ocean plastic product market grows 25% annually. Blockchain technology verifies ocean plastic authenticity, preventing greenwashing.
Research focuses on expanding ocean plastic applications to automotive and construction. Products reach 85 countries, creating global environmental impact.
73% of consumers prefer products using recycled ocean plastic. Educational partnerships inspire future environmental innovation and careers.
Despite recycling efforts, ocean plastic accumulation continues to accelerate. Current facilities process less than 1% of annual ocean plastic input.
Microplastics smaller than 5 millimeters remain uncollectible with current technology.
20% of collected ocean plastic is too contaminated for recycling.
Non-recyclable material is either incinerated for energy or landfilled.
Recycled ocean plastic can only be reprocessed 2 to 3 times before quality degrades. Virgin plastic production still outpaces recycling by 100 to 1.
Industry leaders call for legislation reducing single-use plastic production.
Research into biodegradable ocean-safe plastics offers long-term solutions.
True circular economy requires products designed for infinite recyclability.
Prevention through reduced consumption remains more effective than recycling.
Marine ecosystems show measurable recovery where plastic pollution decreases.
Next-generation technology promises 10 times greater collection efficiency.
International partnerships coordinate ocean cleanup across 50 countries.
Ocean plastic recycling prevents 3 tons of CO2 per ton versus virgin plastic. Despite challenges, every ton diverted represents tangible environmental progress. A single day's production creates 2,000 consumer products from ocean waste. From ocean waste to premium product takes 48 hours of processing. Customers become environmental ambassadors, wearing ocean plastic products.
Social media amplifies environmental impact messaging to millions.
Professional athletes validate ocean plastic product performance.
High fashion embraces ocean plastic as premium sustainable material.
Commercial applications expand into architecture and interior design. Automotive manufacturers integrate ocean plastic into vehicle interiors. Educational products teach children environmental responsibility through use. Cleanup equipment itself is manufactured from previously collected ocean plastic. Collectively, these facilities have prevented 100,000 tons from ocean circulation. In monitored areas, ocean plastic concentration has decreased 15%.
From 50 tons of ocean waste to 40 tons of products in 48 hours.
The next time you see an ocean plastic product, you'll know the 48-hour journey.
Most people will never see inside an ocean cleanup facility. But if you enjoyed this exclusive access, hit that subscribe button.
We explore the world's most innovative environmental solutions every week.
What environmental innovation should we take you inside next? Drop your suggestions in the comments.
This is FactoryVault HQ, inside the world's most fascinating factories.